Um, hello, testing. Are we here? Yes? Okay, that's good. Do we hear extra background noise? Let me check. All looks good. Okay. Ah. Hello, the Neverworld. I don't know if this is a joke, but I don't like it. Uh-oh. Hi, Coffee. No worries. Inshallah, I'll be back tomorrow as well. So you can continue your life for today, and then I'll steal your time another time. Yeah, it's been a while. Yeah, it's definitely been a while. I did not expect this week to be so hectic. I expected it to be a bit hectic, but not to this level. Yeah. I guess I did mention on Blue Sky, I don't expect anyone to be there, that I will be fasting most of the days of the week. And that made me, I won't say that made me tired, because when you eat, you're not tired, but like I slept earlier so that I could wake up earlier to fast. So I guess that made me not be able to do my normal like study at home stuff that I would do in the evenings. So that was one reason for me not to do the study with me ones. Yeah. Also, interesting thing is that I did not prepare it. I should have prepared it. Sir, I am going to say goodbye to you, okay? Nice. Time out. No, I think it has been busier than usual, but I did put them in a timeout, didn't I? Let's see. Work has been okay busy, reasonably busy, but yeah. The learning has slowed down, which I'm not happy about, but I have still been doing it like almost every day, which like progress is progress no matter how slow. So I'm happy about that as well. Thank you. I should post, just show the thing. I'm going to show the thing. Oh, no, it's not Ramadan. But like Ramadan prep, like that. For funsies. Did you guys see this? Oh, I'm showing my tweet. Oh, hello. I'm showing, no, I know you can't see it. I'm going to make you see it in a bit. 1, 2, ta-da. Why is this up? Go down. The charity fundraiser thing. I think it starts tomorrow, inshallah. I'm really happy. Like, she asked me to be a part of it. I'm like, yeah, I'm happy to help whoever we can help, you know? And I was like, okay, if we start here, we can do more later, inshallah. That makes me happy as well. So it's for the LA fires, and it starts, I think it starts more for America. For me, it's already the 17th, but like mine is scheduled for tomorrow. Yeah. So the Saturday one would be a part of this. And I will look at those amazing people. I will do my best to like integrate it so that we can donate. I was like, should I have a rule of I will donate like this amount every time my internet goes out? I may be out of money by then. But today my internet is good, so I don't think that's a good rule to have. I'm gonna think about it. Yeah. So look forward to that, please. And then we can go to today's study. I think that's enough preamble. But yeah. Oh, I forgot to post it on YouTube. I'm gonna do that as well. But I'm really happy about it. Just like to be a part of this group of amazing people, and also to help who we can help, you know? Yes. So now, where was I? So I'm supposed to be here, but before I'm here, I need to like rerun everything so that I can continue. last thing is validation data set. So we go to validation data set and we say run everything before you, so that when we are here, run before. Nice. So that we can come back to a ready thing. Cool. Oh, probably, yeah. See? Yeah. I don't know. Yeah, almost like 24 hours in the future. But probably earlier. Oh, why did I close it? I'm sorry. I'm gonna reopen it. Reopen, close tabs. You have this right. Yes. Ta-da. Okay, it's opened. So yeah, like this is the first one, which is, how many hours is it? Like mine is 7 p.m. It starts at 10 a.m. So like let's assume it starts tonight our time. Yeah, probably like my evening. Cause like this is my 6:30 a.m. This should be like 9 p.m. for me, you know? That's how my brain works anyways. Yes. So I'm looking forward to that. And I was like, I shouldn't be late. So I'm gonna do my best to do everything the way it should be done. Because like today I was 15 minutes late, you know? Because I had to feed the cat. She wasn't letting me go. But like the cat doesn't need 15 minutes of feeding. Okay. Oh, okay, cool. So yes, we're here to do the question answering. Our data set is, what was it? Questions, context, answers. I don't think the data, did we talk about what the data set was exactly? Well, I've forgotten everything. Please, coffee, you may leave. This is a nice way of saying get out of here. Because you're busy. Cool. Questions and answers and splitting the validation. I remember some of these, so that's good. All right. Oh, wow, that was a lot. Okay, so yes. I also made coffee. That's why I was late. What else? Yeah. And then morning prayer, but that I have allocated time for that. That wouldn't have made me late. But yeah, the coffee and the cat feeding, those two made me late. Let's taste test the coffee. A bit bitter, but perfect. Just like life. Okay. Okay. So, fine-tuning the model with trainer API. So we're doing easy version. I'm guessing we'll be doing the non-easy version as well. Like, yeah, custom training loop. Yep, expected that one as well. MashaAllah, internet is really good today. Please let it stay this way for tomorrow. And then I can like donate with a different rule. Or yeah. What would be the rule? Each time I use an Arabic word. Or like inshallah and mashallah and stuff like that. The training code for this example will look a lot like the code in the previous section. I don't remember anything from the previous section. The hardest thing will be to write the compute metrics. Evaluation is like the thing we're focusing on, because we have prepared the data the way we want it. So eval is like the thing. Since we padded all the samples to the maximum length we set, there is no data collator to define. Oh, really? Everything is good. Like, we don't need to mess with the data more. So this metric computation is really the only thing we have to worry about. The other day, someone at work told me, like this, that, you don't have to worry. I was like, I will worry nonetheless. Like, I will worry. I'll just worry and reasonable amount, you know? I won't worry, like exaggerate my worry. So yeah. So just the fact that this is telling me I have to worry about something, I'm like, I'm ready to worry. Give it to me. The difficult part will be to post-process the model predictions into spans of text in the original example. Yes. Okay. So once we've done that, the metric from the HuggingFace library will do most of the work for us. Cool. So we're already talking about post-processing, even though we haven't trained, but okay. Did you run well? You did run well, thank you. All right. Ya Allah, there we go, see? I use Arabic words a lot. And also, this is really loud for me. Is it also really loud? Let me double check. Yeah.
The post-processing step in a question answering task. When doing question answering, the processing of the initial dataset implies splitting examples in several features, which may or may not contain the answer.
I tried to fix the audio. All right. So, what did you say? When Okay, doing the question answering.
The processing of the initial dataset implies splitting examples in several features, which may or may not contain the answer.
We've already done that. We've split it into multiple things that may or may not contain the answer. Cool. So this is pre-post? Hold up. Is this pre or post? I can't see.
Passing those features through the model will give us...
Yeah, pre. We did that. Cool. And then we give it to the model, and then we'll have logits, okay.
Logits for the start and end positions, since our labels are the indices of the token that correspond to the start and end of the answer. We must then somehow convert those logits into an answer, and then pick one of the various answers each feature gives to be the answer for a given example. For the processing step, you should refer to the video link below. It's not very different for validation. We just need to add a few lines to keep track of two things. Instead of discarding the offset mappings, we keep them and also included them the information of where the context is by setting the offsets of the special tokens and the question to none. Then we also keep track of the example ID for each feature to be able to map back feature to the examples that they originated from. If you don't want to compute the validation loss, you won't need to include all the special code that we use to create the labels. With this done, we can apply that preprocessing function using the map method. We take the squad dataset like in the preprocessing for question answering video. When this is done, the next step is to create our model. We use the default model behind the question answering pipeline here, but you should use any model you want to evaluate. We'll run a manual evaluation loop, so we create a PyTorch data loader with our features. With it, we can compute and gather all the start and end logits like this, with the standard PyTorch evaluation loop. With this done, we can really dive into the post-processing. First, we'll need a map from example to features, which we can create like this. Now for the main part of the post-processing, let's see how to extract an answer from the logits. We could just take the best index for the start and end logits and be done. But if our model predicts something impossible, like tokens in the question, we'll look at more of the logits. Note that in the question answering pipeline, we attributed scores to each answer based on the probabilities, which we did not compute here. In terms of logits, the multiplication we add in the scores becomes an addition. To go fast, we don't look at all possible start and end logits, but the 20 best one is enough. We ignore the logits that spawn impossible answers or answers that are too long. As we saw in the preprocessing, the labels 00 correspond to a no answer. Otherwise, we use the offsets to get the answer inside the context. Let's have a look at the predicted answer for the first feature, which is the answer with the best score, or the best logit score, since the softmax is an increasing function. The model got it right. Next, we just have to loop through this for every example, picking for each the answer with the best logit score in all the features the example generated. Now you know how to get answers from your model prediction.
So I really tried to listen. I tried my best to listen, even though I had some chocolate. But I really did not understand, like a good percentage. I'd say 50%. So good thing is, they repeat everything that the guy said here most of the time. So yeah, if I rewatch the video, do not blame me, okay? Because I feel like I should understand, but I didn't, and that's embarrassing. Or normal, somewhere between that. The model output logits for the start and end positions of the answer in the input ID, as we saw during our exploration of question answering pipeline. Wait, was the sentence normal? It felt odd. The model, oh, see, I read outputs, but will, I missed that will. That is the only thing I missed, and then I understood nothing. The model will output odd logits for the start and end positions of the answer in the input IDs, as we saw during our exploration of the question answering pipeline. The post-processing step will be similar to what we did there. I don't remember anything. No, I really don't. So here's a quick, wait, thank you. Thank you for not trusting me. Here's a quick reminder of the actions we took. We masked the start and end logits corresponding to the tokens outside of the context. So this is the masking part, right? Right? So that we only see the future and not the past. I mean, other way around. We only see the past, not the future. So, Neverworld, if you plan on staying around, please ask questions that are related to the like things that I'm showing, because I have no interest in cryptocurrency. Okay. Yeah. And no information. We then converted the start and end logits into probabilities using a softmax. Yes. Cool. We attributed a score to each. I mean, to my understanding, the logits to softmax is like you put something on a log scale, right? No, wait, is that correct? Trying to math. Like you have a number and you want it to be between 1 and 0, so that it looks like a percentage. So that, because that makes you happy. That's the only reason softmax is used. And I learned that a bit late. Because I remember going to a conference and seeing everybody talking about, we have a softmax at the end. I was like, cool, but what does it do? Just makes it readable to the computer, I think, or the human. I don't know. Something there. Yes. It's just like a nice name. We attributed a score to each start token and token pair by taking the product of the corresponding two probabilities. So we have the start and end probabilities, and then we have a score. Yes, but I don't have interest. It is related odd information on everything. Like, uh-oh. Am I still streaming? Yes. Okay. I thought I was cut off. Yeah, like I have zero financial related information that has to do with, creating models and stuff. Yeah. I have a lane and my lane is learning about natural language processing. Yeah. Yep. I mean, I am going to be the dictator of my stream, but thank you. It's just your first questions were not kind, so I'd prefer things to be kind, and I guess I was not kind to you as well. We looked for the pair with a maximum score that yielded the answer. Start token lower than end token, obviously. Cool. Here we will change this process slightly. Okay, so we have this process, which is like, I sort of remember something, but we change it slightly because we don't need to compute actual score, just the predicted answer. What does the score do then? This means we can skip the softmax step. No, that's the only step that I liked. Okay. What do you mean? Closed? Okay. Right. To go faster, we also won't score all possible start token and end token pairs. All right, that makes sense. We don't need to score everything. But how would we know we missed the answer? Or do we get to the answer and then, but only the ones corresponding to the highest and best. Okay. So we have a limit of how many. Since we will skip the softmax, those scores will be largest scores. Okay, so we don't, and then we'll have to, okay, got it. And will be obtained by taking the sum of start and end logits instead of the product because of this rule. Okay. All right. So we don't do softmax. I also don't like your last comment, okay? Okay. To demonstrate all of this, we will need some kind of predictions. Since we have not trained our model yet, we are going to use the default model. Yes, we have not trained anything yet. Okay. For the QA pipeline to generate some predictions on a small part of the validation set, we can use the same processing function as before. Yep. Because it relies on the global constant tokenizer. We just have to change that object to the tokenizer of the model we want to use temporarily. Temporarily. Okay. By the way, I have questions. Are you a student or like, do you have any computer science related interests? If you can, please answer that. Okay, so we take 100 of our validation set, put it in a small eval set, and we have already existing Dilbert base cased, meaning capital and small letters matter, distilled again trained on squad. Okay. And then here's our tokenizer that we load from this. And then for the eval set, we map. This is a function, right? Yes. A function we have defined. Nope, wait, yep, okay. Where it does all of those things that I forgot. Okay, cool. But it does all of them. And then we put them together and we remove the thing that we just used so that the other things are there. Cool. So we do that here. And that should, okay, it doesn't take a lot of time because it's only 100. What else? Now that the pre-processing is done, for an example set, we change the tokenizer back to the one we originally picked. Oh, okay. So what was this called? It was called a trained checkpoint. This is a model checkpoint. Oh, our model is not trained, but this is trained. Like we're using something that, okay. Now we're updating our tokenizer. I mean, you could have just called it tokenizer trained or something. Okay. We then remove the column of our eval set. We did, yeah. That are not expected by the model. Build a batch with all of that small validation set. And pass it through the model. If a GPU is available, we use it to go faster. Cool. What this does is we remove things we don't need. All right, got it, okay. And then we set it to torch. We check for CUDA, so that if there's a GPU, we use it. Otherwise, we use CPU. And then here, this batching, what did it say? Build a batch with all of that small not that, right? Yeah, okay. So we say K. We take K. This to device means give it to GPU if it's available. So eval model set for model this here, or eval set, the kth one for K in column names. So this is a column name. We just take a list of column names? No. So K is a column name, so we take each column. It's just a data frame. Trained model. And then we give here, this is our model. Okay. Yep. We're loading our model. Didn't we already load our model? We just do the to device? Torch, no grad. I remember trying to learn about this. It has to do with gradient descent or something. And then I forgot. And yeah, we give the batch to the model, and this is our output. So that's actually very clear. Even though I don't know what will happen here, but it's very clear. I don't think it will take long. Should we wait for it, or should we not wait for it? Okay. All right, I suppose we shouldn't wait for it because it's taking time now. Oh, there is nothing that TQDM, I call it taqaddum. I don't know if that's what it's called normally. That would have shown us a progress bar, but it's not there. All right, so since the trainer will give us predictions as NumPy arrays, we grab the start and end logits and convert them to that format. .NumPy. That's it. Cool. All right, that is taking time. Let's do another round of advertisement for our tomorrow's stream. Tomorrow's stream will be, we go here. Okay. Like I will be a part of list of cool people. My name is right here. Hello. We have Phi, we have Mellon. I'm not sure how to pronounce this one. Saidere, maybe? Chat Z. Oh, she will be doing a soldering demo. Oh, hi! Hi, Aitsuki. There's a charity stream going on tomorrow, and we can tune in. I mean, again, for America it's tomorrow. For me, it's today. So, anywho, yeah, it's for direct relief, and it's for the LA fires, and it is a list of these lovely people. I'm excited to be a part of them. Yeah. Oh, it ran. It finished running. Woohoo! That was nice. It was a nice break. And I felt cool for having something to promote. Yeah, so let's do the NumPy stuff and then go back to our learning. How are you doing? Also, I love the fact that you're like, the text faces or emoticons, it's like it's coming into the screen from like this side. It's adorable. Well, one of my favorite emotes is the upside down one. Can I make it? Yes, there we go. Did I just send it? Wait, what happened? Wait, did it just not go? Twitch, be nicer to me. Okay, let's do, let's say this, and then do this, and then send it. Go. Okay, now it didn't send it right away. Oh yeah, that was that I didn't like it. It was not under my control. Yeah, sorry about that. Not yet. It's too early to make a cult. Yeah, too early in the morning and too early in my influencing career. Oh, okay. All right, yeah. Twitch is like, don't send text faces. I'm like, I like text faces. I literally used to go to this website. I don't know if you've ever used it. I think it's just called Text Faces something. Let me see if I can find it. And copy and paste them into my note app, because it just made me happy seeing them. This website, I loved it. Yeah, not yet. See, it's not enough. It's not all of them, but it's enough. And I have a hard time. I think people who recognize these letters, have a hard time seeing the text faces when it's the letter that you would use normally. For example, oh, that's adorable. Like I think some of them use. Okay, so this is a L. And I'm like, I see that letter L, nothing else. I'm guessing some of them are actual letters. Oh, we have tofu. Why are they not loading? Like this one is just 2 letter B's with a dash in between them. I'm supposed to be seeing like an angry face, I'm guessing. Or like this is that's a number 9, you know. So those ones are giving me a hard time. The flipping tables. We have a flipped person flipping tables right here. Oh yeah. Where's the money one? Oh, this looks like the sun. Yeah. I'm guessing this is a letter. This, I don't know, could be a math thing. Yes. Oh wow, this is upside. Blushing. Okay, I'll stop. What is that supposed to be? Ooh, I like this. Facepalm. I love facepalm. This is like about to flip a table, not yet. I need the facepalm. Oh, wow, that's a happy one. Okay, I think one of my favorites was the one with the sparkles that I would use a lot because it made me happy. There it is. Look at this one. Yeah, I'm gonna paste it in the chat and see if it arrives. There we go. Sparkles. And I think there's one for the other side as well. See? Yeah, double. Throwing sparkles to each other. Yep. I'm sure there are websites with better text faces, but that's the one that I like. Should I do that? Aww. How do I do it? So here's that. Okay, I'm gonna try and put the sparkles in the what is it called? The notification. I think that would be cute for the future. I don't know how it will look, but that's adorable. I'm gonna put it on in the title as well. I am now very distracted. Woohoo! And that's actually just for Twitch. I didn't do it on YouTube. Should we do it on YouTube as well? Sparkles, can I update the title? Wait, what's happening? Oh, nothing. Okay. Everything's fine. I thought my internet died. It did not. Sparkles, and then another one. Sparkles. I should stop now. I'll try. Yay. Sparkle. All right. Okay. Where am I? What is happening? Sparkles. Okay. Yes. I'm here now. Each time I say now. Wait, what is it? It's in Mulan, but which part was it? Well, there's the one where it says now pour the tea, but not that part. No. I thought it's. Yeah, no, it's now pour the tea. Maybe. Maybe. Oh, okay. Yeah. Isn't there a part where, oh, there, now, all of China knows you're here. That part, there. It's in the beginning. Okay. Now. Yeah, it's now. All of China knows you're here. I remember it. How does one earn $1 million a year? How's that a question? You have to live somewhere where the money is really devalued, and then like I think $100 would be like a few million easily. The countries where their money is like very unvalued. Yeah. Am I loading? No, I'm not loading. You are loading. Okay. Because yeah, even in my country, no, not $100. Like $1,000 is a few million. There we go. Okay. So yeah, you can earn it easily in a month. Not easily, but like easily enough. I'm not sure actually. I could ask, but like I know a country where $100 is, I think, a few million, and then I don't know how much food is. Definitely not cheap, but not to the level of $1 million, but like thousands. Because like I don't know why I'm explaining this, but $1 would be like a few thousand, and then food would be a few thousand, like that. Because food is not $100; it's a few dollars. I hope so. Like I hope so for the other countries, because like in my country that should be that. Have I watched Money Heist? The Korean version. I've watched the Korean version only. I've heard about the original version, which is Spanish, right? But I have watched the Korean version where it has to do with North Korea and South Korea. And actually, the actor is the guy from first Squid Game, right? One of the actors. I don't know one of the main actors. Is it the professor? Hold up. You're really good at distracting me. Are you aware of that? There's a Korean version? Of course there's a Korean version. Money Heist. And then I think it's just called Korea. Right? Or Seoul. Maybe Seoul? I don't think Seoul, right? No. Korean. Look at it. Joint Economic Area is the title because it has to do with South Korea and North Korea. That's him, see? Oh, it's Berlin. Okay. Yeah. Well, if you feel like it, you should. But like, just the masks are different. It's the Korean dancer thingies, right? Isn't that cool? It feels like cool. Yeah. Do watch that. That's fun. Yes. But that's the guy who went to the, is his name Sungwon or something in In Squid Game Part 1? He's probably old. Why was that my first answer? Okay. How would I ever get to him? Come on now. I'm studying. Leave me alone. We need to find the predicted answer for each example in our small eval set. Predicted answer, because we ran it. We ran the model right here. See, I'm trying to study. One example may have been split into several features in eval set. So the first step is to map each example. So yeah, okay. I don't know, I didn't check his age. But he seems older. Yeah, age is definitely relative, because when you're in high school, anyone, or even when you're school children, kid, something, anyone who's like graduated high school, you're like, oh my god, that person is old. Oh, you don't need to apologize. I like talking. It's my fault. Yeah. But then when you're working, you're like, oh my god, college age students are babies. And then like when you're like, I don't know, I just not really, huh? No, I didn't just turn 30. I turned 30 last year. And I'm like, oh my god, 20 people or people below 25 are babies. So yeah, age is relative. And I'm sure people will think of me as a baby. Yeah. Like recently someone 5 years older told me, oh, you're a baby. I'm like, yeah, I know. So yeah, there we go. Yes. So the examples that have been split into several features are like the answers, because the question doesn't need to be split, but the answers have to be split. First step is to map each example to the corresponding feature in the eval set. Okay, so we know where each part of the answers are. Well, not answer, but like the explanation where the answer is there. I'm a baby. Yes, but huh? Wait. No, I'm not a, I mean, I don't know. Again, age is relative. I'm definitely not 18, but hey. Yeah, compared to 18 people, I'm a fossil. There we go. That's what, see, now I understand what you're saying. Did I need to run something? No. All right, but here's what we're doing the mapping. Oh wow, what? Why does this emote say evil? It's cute. This sort of smile is evil. So, example to feature. We have a dictionary list, and then ID feature for eval set. That's it. Huh, nice. Wow, I sometimes understand the Python code better because I've been studying Python. Cool. Okay, like plotting. I like the Sherlock hands when you're trying. Oh yeah, okay, see with the mohaha, that works better. But the Sherlock hands, I feel like that would be I don't know if you know what I mean, but like you put your hands together and you move the fingers and you're like that one. And definitely, yeah, that sort of smiles works. With this in hand, did we do the mapping? We did do the mapping. Is this the actual eval thingy? We can really get to work by looping through all the examples and, for each example, through all the associated features. So yeah, we have the questions and their explanations, and we are linking them together. As we said before, we'll look at the logit scores for the n best ones, the start and end. So like top 20, top 10 or something, excluding positions that give an answer that wouldn't be inside the context. an answer with negative length, that's possible. An answer that's too long, we have a limit. Cool. Once we have all the scored possible answers for one example, we just pick the one with the best logit score. So that's that. All right, before I go through this, I need to know how much longer should I study. Even though I have time, my brain is like melting. Sorry, I punched the mic. Where are we? Oh, wow. Wow. Fine-tuning the model. I might stop here. Oh. We're working on the how much longer to go to the next section. Pretty long. See, I should stop at the custom training loop. I know that because that's like where it actually ends. But my brain is like tired. I was here. Which, hey, let's see how much. Because I have about 40-ish minutes, which is long enough. No time to rest. Inshallah, I'll be streaming tomorrow as well, so that's fine. I don't need to finish everything. For the rest of the day, I won't be streaming the rest of the day. Wait. Checking something. Huh. Why didn't I get the notification of a new follow? That's odd. Sometimes I don't get notification. No, I haven't muted anything. I mean, I'm answering my own question. Did I mute something? No, I didn't. Cool. Okay. I like that number 42. So we have 142 followers. That's too much. So we get our NumPy. We have our NBEST be 20. Max answer length 30. These are arbitrary. We can change them if we feel like it. Predicted answers. Wow, that was a loud motorcycle. I don't know if you heard it. Yay. Oh, I also have ears. If they feel like it, there can be more. If they don't feel like it, they don't have to. We're here to chill and study and forget things. Yeah, that would sum up my existence. Okay. So we're looping through our small eval set. This is the data set. This is not the trained one. We take an example and its context. And then this is example to feature, meaning this is like trained. Because we did that here from our eval set. Wait, eval set is the thing that is, oh, sorry. Eval set is a data set again. Oh, it's tokenized. Okay. Why am I forgetting things that just happened? So where was I? Here. We have our sample ID, so we're filtering that. Right. Start logits and logits. Those are from here, which is from output. There we go. So that one is from the output of our model, which was trained. So this is an example. Whew. Okay. Trying to remember stuff. And then we take the offset so that we have our answer. Start index. Should I know what this is saying? Sort. Okay. Arg sort. So like, what is arg? Argument? Maybe. Start logits. And then we are taking the index of from the end 220 minus 1. Oh, this is minus 20 minus 1. So why is it 3 parts? I don't understand this one. Cool. And then in our start indices, oh, so this is top 20. And then we're looping through the end indices. This is hard to say. Skip answers that are not fully in the context. So if offset is none, and then in the offset end index, start index, if any of them is none, continue. If skip answers with a length that is less than 0 or more than max, okay, that makes sense. So end and start are their value is, yeah, okay. If the end comes before the start, that doesn't make sense. Or if end minus start plus 1 is over the max length, do continue. Here's our answer. We'll have a list of answers that appends a text and a score. The text is inside the context. The index of the offset of the start index, first one, meaning the first of the 20. Why is the end 1? Brain. Okay. And then the score is in the start logic, and plus the, oh yeah, that plus we talked about. Cool. Okay. Plus the end. All right. Oh, okay. So we're taking a list of answers and then we say max best answer of the logic score. Predicted answer is the ID and our best answer, which is the text. I am tired. Can we run it and see it? Can we look at it? Will this take long? It's only 100. Wow. Okay. I thought, okay, it's moving. Oh, wow. Nice. 11 seconds. Can I look at predicted answers? Would it be too much? No, it's 100. It's fine. Just give me top 5, please. Wait, it's not a data frame. Oh, I'm gonna get an error. It's not a data frame. Yeah, it's not. Okay. Then just give me like a top 5. Just want to see what's in there. ID and text. Cool. All right, nice. And then we evaluated how it did. I used to be frustrated about the fact that, okay, how do I evaluate the answers? You just compare them based on the style of evaluation you choose. Yeah, because like you either compared with human things or already prepared answers. Human things being actual, just humans who evaluated for you, which is difficult, costly mostly. Okay. Oh, okay. So the final format of the predicted answer is the one that will be expected by the metric we will use. All right, cool. So this format is what it requires. As usual, we can load it with the help of the evaluate library. Cool. So we are using squad. The metric expects the predicted answer in the format we saw above, a list of dictionaries with ID and the predicted text, and the theoretical answers in the format below. Okay. So in our eval set. Cool. A list of dictionaries with one key for the ID and for the possible answer. Hold up. So this is our eval set. So these are theoretical answers, predicted answers, and theoretical answers. So small set is the one that is just from the data set, and the other one is the example to features, which is the theoretical answers. Cool. And then we check. So here's our eval, here's our theoretical answers. and then we compare them. So let's compare 10th one, because this one here is comparing the 0th one, and this 0th one, we can see this being the answer. And then here, February 7th, 2016 is the answer. Hi, yes. Long time no see. Yo, yo, yo. What is up? How are you doing? Long time no see being I have not streamed for like a week, which I suppose isn't that long, but in the age of the internet, it is like 10 years. My God, so many things happen in like a day. Okay. So yeah, it would have accepted different answers. Like for example, February 7th. But what's the difference between this one and that one? I see no difference. See, this is a... okay, cool. That's it. That is it. Not too bad. Let's have a look at the score we get. There's a score. So we got an exact match of... Wait, it's different? No, it's the same. It's long? What do you mean? Oh, shoot. I just disappeared. There's an ad break. Let's try and snooze it for a bit. Let's tell these dollars to wait. Okay. So an exact match. Oh, but they're the same. If you're talking about the date format, like first one has the year, month, day, year, and then month, day, and then again month, day, year. Is the word February written differently? No. The comma is still there. Like I expected the comma not to be there, but it's there. Anywho. Your emotes are adorable. So yeah, exact match of 83, which is pretty good. F1 score of 88, pretty good. Yep, coolsies. Where are we? Okay, we're still not over that section. Alright, again, it's rather good considering that according to its paper, Distilbert fine-tuned on squat obtains 79 and 86 for those scores. Oh, not a week of not streaming. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for being here. I think I don't say that enough. So thank you. Yeah. So we're doing 100 what? Oh, really? Thank you. There are 3s, right? Did I not set them free? What? No way. Hold up. No. Okay, there are 2 smileys. There's smile and smiley. I thought there were 3, because those are the ones that I made by hand. The other ones are not made by hand, obviously. There are only 2? Huh. Which one? I don't think I have the energy to make more emotes, but I have not done video editing for so long, because I'm like, you stream and that's it. But I do want to create some videos. Like there's one that I'm thinking about that's... Oh, 3? Really? Okay. Yeah, I get it. It's all like it's the same style of face. Like there isn't an angry one or a surprised one. Oh, really? Hold up. But I like even right now I see 2. Let me see if I can. Like here's 1, here's 2. So this is me doing a blink. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. I definitely could like do some like side eye or some surprise. Do I have a surprise face? I don't know. I used to draft those faces. That was a long time ago. Yeah, but I am thinking about, which God knows when that would be, creating a video about a book that has to do with problems with like old AI models. I don't know about new ones, but like old ones. I got inspired by I forgot the YouTuber's name, but she's a physics PhD person who talks about like one of her recent videos is about Feynman. That was a sad one to watch. Yeah, okay. So let's put everything we did in compute metrics function that we will use in the trainer function. Okay. So everything that we did was a test of the model, preparing formats. We haven't fine-tuned anything yet. So yeah. Normally that compute metric function only receives a tuple, eval predicts. Oh, okay. Snooze number 2. All right. With logits and labels, here we will need a bit more, really, as we have to look in the data set of features for the offset and in the data set of examples for the original context. The offset one is necessary, yes, okay. So we won't be able to use this function to get regular evaluations. Yep, results during the training. Okay. We will only use it at the end to check for the results. Got it. The compute metric function groups the same steps as before. So the steps that we did, we just add a small check in case we don't come up with any valid answers. That's possible. No answer. We just give an empty string. I think, like, even now when you talk to an LLM, I don't think there's a time where it says I don't have an answer. Like, it always gives you something, even if it's hallucinating or like misleading you. So yeah, I mean, this is not an LLM, obviously, it's just a prediction thing. So here's our compute metric, which is just the steps above put together that we went through. Yep, cool. Yeah, we did actually go through this, which is nice. I don't need to read it again. And we can say compute metric, it will give us the same thing. How lovely. And I finished that in 20 minutes. I said I have 40 minutes, which means I need to use the other 20 minutes. Let's run this again. We got, oh, hey, hi. Okay, we got the same answers. Cool. All right, I can do this. I am able to do this. Come on, laptop, listen to me. There we go. Okay. So, if I go through the fine-tuning the model, I might need to go through it again tomorrow. I don't know, because I don't know how much my brain will retain the information. But my goal is to go up to the custom fine training loop, because like we started here, we went through this, and we're here, and like, see, this is a sub of that one. So I need to go somewhere where it's like a good point of pausing. So that book that I need to read, oh, thank you for using them. It's making me happy. I am definitely not an artist, and just having people use something you created is cool. Yeah, the book I'm reading it too slowly, so that's why I'm having a hard time. Should I do another ad break? Here's the ad break. The ad break is the oh hey, the charity fundraiser that's being run by Z. She's a VTuber, by the way. She does SciComm for physics. It's really cool. Actually, she also likes. Thank you. I will believe that I can finish it. I am on page 75 out of 300 something. Yeah, but I'm reading it slowly because I'm taking note. Yeah, she also does like math and actually AI related stuff. I think machine learning at least. So yeah, she's definitely better science communicator. I don't think I'm a science communicator. I am adjacent. I walk beside it. So yeah, charity fundraiser for the LA fires. Oh God, there we go. Got it. And it has a list of these cool people. Yay! And I'm one of the cool people. Yeah. Please do tune in because, yeah, donation link isn't opened. Thursday night. So like today, is it open now? Has she tweeted about it? Should we check together? Oh my God. Donation link is open. Hey, cool. Okay. I'm supposed to send communicator? Okay, is it to do with science, but it's send? Why not? This is cool. I'm gonna put this somewhere. Can I pin it? Very cool people. I'm gonna put it here and pin it here. And then I'm gonna put it here. And then, can I pin my message? I should, right? And then pin it here. Yay! Yes. Nice. Woohoo! Oh, I messaged it twice. Yeah. I'm gonna learn about how to integrate it into my stream tomorrow, inshallah. But we can start. Yay! Okay. If I click the link myself, it goes, I'm testing it by the way, on this other page. We can we be the first donors? I want to be the first person to donate. Oh my God. I'm gonna do a test donate because I don't know if I have my information here. Wow. Oh my God, I didn't realize there are like rewards. It has to be during a stream. Okay. Oh, I should definitely do that. Wow. Oh, I am very distracted. But I like the. Do you want to look at it together? I don't think. Yeah, let's look at the rewards. Then I'm going to go back and see if I can donate without. Here are the rewards. So that's Z. Suffering. That's for $1, and then sticker to the stream, and then this one, that one, astrophotography of any space object. That has my. Yeah, really? Gaming stream? Should I add any rewards? I don't think. Honestly, if you think of a reward, tell me on Discord. I will happily let Z know. Posting a tweet from Z's account, that's cool. But this one has me hooked. Oh, changing Z's profile. Explainer of your choice. Wow, this is like a video. Oh, there's a gaming stream. There we go. What does this mean? I mean, I wasn't sure what it meant, but now I know what it means. It's the recap. Okay, I'm gonna look at the astrophotography because I will need to. Okay, so what do I want? to be taken a picture of. All right. Honestly, Orion belt, something with Orion. I like it too much. Let's Orion's belt, because I like the thing that's there. Ta-da! Can I? All right. What else? What? Oh, checkout. There's a checkout. Shoot! Did I do something? Oh no! I need to do it again. Okay, my option went away. All right. Checkout. Okay. I suppose, I'm gonna keep it anonymous. While doing it while streaming, keeping it anonymous. Shoot. Sorry. This is not interesting, I'm aware. But I want to do it. I want to be the first donor. I really mean it. Orion's belt. Where did you go? All right, add to cart. Keep me anonymous. Wow, this is taking too long. My detailed information. Here's my email. Keep us anonymous. And payment details, credit card. Yep, there we go. Now that's filled out. Cool. Verified. Woohoo. And then complete. Bismillah. Did we just do the first donation? I did the first donation. Okay, I'm happy. I am very happy. Can I go back to the link and see? Woo. Ta-da. Yay. It's not much, but it's the first one. And we can do more later. Because, it's a thing that encourages other people. There we go. All right. Uh-oh, was the stream bad? What's the? What do you mean? What's the? Auto? Huh? Ah, what did I get? The astrophotography thing. Someone taking a picture of the sky for you. How cool is that? Yay! Ad break over. I didn't realize the thing is open. Woohoo! Yeah, more for tomorrow, inshallah. Okay. Yeah, I should not get distracted. Okay. I definitely should have some banner stuff, right? Yeah. Oh, whoops. I'm excited. So, fine-tuning the model. Can we finish this in the next 20 minutes? Let's try. Now we are ready to train our model. Let's create it first. Create it first, our model that we are ready to train. Oh yeah, using the auto model for question answering class like before. So yeah, we get a base model and then we train it. Who knows? Who knows what? As usual, we get a warning that some weights are not used. Let's load it. Will we get a warning about the unused weights. Oh yeah, we did get a warning about some weights not being used. Ones from pre-trained head. I love the questions I get while streaming. Sure, I like pigs because they're animals, and honestly, some of them are cute. I know what you're asking, but I didn't answer that question. I answered the one where it's like, sure, it's an animal. That's it. And if the answer is, do I eat it? If the question is, do I eat it? The answer is no. All right. We get the warnings about the pre-training head, and some others are initialized randomly. The ones for the question answering head. You should be used to this by now. Yeah, we're used to it by now. But that means this model is not ready to be used. Is there a way for me to say this is a fundraiser? Fundraiser, not a fundraiser. We can raise fun if we feel like it. But that could be for later. Oh, Horror P is a first-time chatter. Hello, hi. What is up? I don't know how to make it a fundraiser. Goals, raid, clip, edit stream, add person. Can we make it a fundraiser? Monetize stream. Nothing about oh, again, I got fund. Nope. Okay. I'll learn about that later. Yay. Okay. We're used to it by now. This model is not ready to be used. Yeah, it needs fine-tuning. Good thing we're about to do that. Yep. Because yep. Nope. Okay. How? Nope. I cannot make the stream a fundraising stream. Cool. Good to know. I mean, I don't know how to. So to be able to push our model to the hub, we'll need to log into HuggingFace. If you're running this code in a notebook, hi, people. Is it a hello? Hi, Noir. How's studying going? Oh, we're in an ad break. Oh wow! Why am I not getting the notifications? Do I need some hello? Posture check. My posture is okay. I just need to sit better. Yeah. Since I got the mic handle thingy, it's been doing great. Much better than it used to, because I had to hunch over a bit. Also, are you waking up late? No, I have not been streaming daily. Definitely not daily, but I thought you were telling me I'm waking up daily because you're not streaming. I was like, oh no, it's my fault. No, those early day streams are for the weekends because I can't stream before work. You know, there isn't enough time of the day. But after work I can, and I have not been able to stream the. Yeah, yes, exactly. I was not. Yeah, tisking. Yep. So for the hydrate, I will be drinking coffee. Is that dehydration or hydration? I don't know, but I will trick you into thinking I'm drinking water by using this thing. 1, 2, 3, ta-da! There. Are you tricked now? There. So, oh my god, that worked. See? Why did I get the yippee but not the posture check and the hydrate check stuff? That is so mean. And that did wake me up. Thank you. That's so kind. Yeah. Oh, I'm supposed to log in. All right. Let's log in. While I do that, even though it won't matter, I'll still do the chat only thing that I have, because during the login, I think it's just login without the notebook. So I'm gonna do that. I need to copy some stuff. Actually, it's just my email, which I don't think is a secret. You can literally get it in a lot of places. Oh no, it's not the email, it's the HF token. There we go. HF token. Let's get that. 28 days till your exam. Oh my god, that's so like nice, you know? Because the earlier it gets, the faster it is that it's over. So I'm happy for you. Okay, now I can log in. Back to the interface. Can we log in? Did we log in? Yay, we logged in. Okay. If you, no, I'm fine. I already logged in. All right. Let me know what you're studying and then go study, please. I'll be here each time, like the next 20 minutes, because, you know, I have time. I can, but yeah, 20 minutes should be fine. 25 minutes. Yes. How long have I been streaming? An hour and a half. That's very good. Stream is okay, by the way? It's a question. Oh, that's cute. Cute dabbing green person. Oh yeah, that is true. If I get questions, I'll be distracted and I'll never finish. And the only person who's really good at distracting me is here. Yeah, you guys need to step up your distraction game. All right. If I don't distract myself, that is. So, once this is done, we can define our training arguments as we said when we defined our function to compute the metric. So we have a compute metric, and then we need one for the training arguments. Yeah, we just initialize it. That's it, right? We won't be able to have a regular evaluation loop because of the signature of the compute metric function. Okay. We could write model SQL linear discriminant analysis. I don't know what that is. Regression and MB linear algebra. Cool. Oh, ER model, not ER model. Is it ER model? I don't know. I love SQL, so that's one that I know about. I hope, yeah, we'll pray to God that you'll do great. Allah, it will go the way your heart desires. Okay? And the way that it's khair for you. I think you know what I mean. How do you deal with grumpy people in your team? Oh, as in at work? That's a good question. Yay! Thank you for the lurking. Do I have an answer for lurking? I don't. I should definitely add one. Sorry. How do you deal with grumpy people? You just don't get them mad. I don't know. Like, it's somewhere between ignoring them. Oh wow, I'm looking at who else is streaming. I see Kaisenet and Moist Critical streaming. Wow, cool. Brain. Yeah, just not get into onto their nerves. Like, I don't think there are grumpy people in my team. I really don't. There are just people who need to be notified about things before they happen. If not, they get unhappy. So I try to notify them about the things that happen before they happen, that are in my control. So I don't think I have grumpy people in my team. I think we take care of each other's emotions well. I guess, I hope you know what I mean by that. Like, try not to overstep our boundaries. Yeah, no. I like the people in my team. And that's at work, by the way. Yeah. Okay, so we could write our own subclass of trainer to do this, an approach that is found here. We can find here. A bit too long. We will only evaluate the model at the end of the training. Not inside. Got it. Show you how to do a regular evaluation in a custom training loop. Cool. This is really where the trainer API shows its limits. Look, HuggingFace is telling you that their API has limits. That's nice of them. And there we go. See, they don't want to make themselves look bad. And the HuggingFace Accelerate library shines, customizing the class to a specific use case behind. Oh my god, I just noticed, like my brain just clicked, why this is 314.15. It's pi. I just noticed that the goal is pi. That's so like cute. Yeah, my brain was processing in the background. Customizing the class to a specific use case can be painful, but tweaking a fully exposed training loop is easy. Yeah, cool. So here's our training argument. We're using BERT, fine-tuned squad. Why do I say squat? That's funny. And then no evaluation strategy inside. Save per epoch. Here's our training learning rate, our number of epochs, 3. We have weight decay. FP16 is true. Push to hub is true. Do I, like if I run this, and then if I run the trainer and then we train it, that could take a lot of time. Even though, it's for the whole thing. That will definitely not finish anytime soon. So we've seen most of these before. We set some hyperparameters like learning rate, number of epochs we train for, and some weight decay, and indicate that we want to save the model at the end of every epoch. Skip evaluation and upload our results to the model hub. We also enable mixed precision training with FP16 to true, as it can speed up the training nicely on a recent GPU. We do not have a GPU. By default, I mean, we do actually, but yeah. What? Of what? WN. Okay, I need to do that. Thank God I noticed. Otherwise, that could have waited for too long. I think I have it. Yes, I do. Cool. We paste it, we go, and you continue. Cool. I've never watched Kai. I've only heard them from other stuff. Should I? Cause like they're like, I really don't know what they stream. That, I guess Moist is more on YouTube, so I know about their stuff, but or like why did I forget that dude's name? Help me. That's weird. Ah, my brain. It's all gone. He used to be the top streamer. Anywho. Or like Sea Dog VA, because trash taste, you know. I'm mostly a YouTube person. The dude, the guy. I called him a dude. Hold up. I'll tell you who he is. He has that podcast, The Yard. Ludwig, there we go. That dude. Hank Green was on The Yard, so yeah. I watched that episode. Okay. So training started. I don't think, see, it's saying it, this is a joke, right? 359 hours? Should we stream for another 359 hours? By default, oh, okay. Yeah, it will save to HuggingFace. Did we name it? It just uses its name. We can actually also look at our WNB, weights and biases. Okay, I'll log in later. And it will show the information, but it's too early for that. Finally, we pass everything to our trainer class, and the model, the arguments, the training, the eval, the tokenizer, and you say train away. Note that while the training happens each time the model is saved, every epoch. Sure, yeah. I mean, maybe 300 hours. The 59, a bit much. It is uploaded to the hub in the background. In my mind, I was thinking, how long can I stream? Like, and even, like, I don't know. No. Like, if I wake up super early in the morning and like 4 to 5 hours is possible, but I don't know how it would be on my health, on my body. I mean, I easily sit for 6 hours sometimes. So yeah. But I was like, should I try to stream as much as I can just to see how much I can do it? That can be, I could think about it someday. Not now. Maybe Ramadan. If like a weekend, Ramadan weekend. I might, but it won't be done for tomorrow. So yeah, and even that is going up. 33,000. Oh yeah. Yeah. I mean, yeah, for kid drama, but for learning, brain CPU gets tired sometimes. Oh yeah, so see, the fact that it gets uploaded to the hub, like even if we do one epoch, that should be okay. We can resume the training on another machine if necessary. The whole training takes a while. Oh wow, look, it took an hour on this. You can grab a coffee, reread some parts of the course that you found more challenging while it proceeds. Also note that as soon as the first epoch is finished, you see some weights uploaded to the hub, and start playing with your model on its page. Actually, they no longer allow that. They used to allow it, but not anymore. Once the training is complete, we can finally evaluate our model and pray we didn't spend the time for nothing. We can use predict method of the trainer that returns a tuple where the first elements will be predictions of the model, start and end logits. We send this to our compute metric. So we say trainer predict on our validation dataset. we get start and end, we give it to compute metrics. Okay, here we got a better score than the original one. As a comparison, the baseline scores reported in the BERT article are 80 and 88, so it's close and like sort of better. This one's actually the same. Finally, push to hub so that it saves, and then you get your own URL. The trainer also drafts a model card with all evaluation results and uploads it. True. You can use, see, the inference is gone though. Like there used to be an inference widget, but it's gone. Like we can look at this one, right? Up to here, copy, paste. Oh, did I paste it twice? I did paste it twice. And go. Really? What's happening? Where's your BERT? Squad, BERT. So many models. It's not there? We have this one though. Fine-tune BERT. See, the inference is gone. Yeah, it has to be active for it to have it. Hi. Oh, thank you for liking my VTuber model. So you are on Twitch. I think I'm not telling you where I got it on Twitch. Sorry, I say it on it's in my description on YouTube. But I will give you the name of the app that allows you to create models, and it's called this ZEPETO. And it's when you go inside, you're like, oh my god, is this another Roblox? It's not. Like it has this side of like you can play with your character, but I'm just using it as a as a model. When you go to the camera section part after you create your model, you can put a green background and just like I'm using my phone because it's on my phone. If you're on a Windows, you can probably use something like BlueStack to use it on OBS. I feel like I should make a video about this because it's not common knowledge, but I haven't. You're welcome. Yeah, if you have questions, I can answer you, maybe on Discord. But yeah, I probably should make a video about this. But I haven't. Yeah, so I am technically done. I finished the fine-tuning part, and the code is running for another 355 hours. Oh, yeah, that's my phone doing that. Custom training loop can be for tomorrow, inshallah. I'm gonna check weights and biases. I'm gonna go here and log in and remind the lovely people here that this is technically a charity stream. Did I sign in with Google or GitHub? I don't remember. I'm gonna try Google. Oh, hey, Noir, you're supposed to be studying. Oh, I got a congratulations for 100 messages today. Thank you. Ooh. Noir, you're supposed to be studying. You should be studying. Look at the background. So right now we have only the information about what is running, not the information about our model, because it didn't run. We don't have anything, no outputs yet. So yeah, we have memory, we have CPU thread, disk utilization, disk IO, disk utilization. What is gigabyte? What's the difference between this one and that one? Oh, this percentage. Why did this go up but not this one? Cool. So yeah, that's weights and biases. I've used it before. Let's do another Okay, so why are you sleeping if you're just finishing breakfast? بالعافية. Do you know what that means? I just said bon appetit in Arabic. Yeah, another round of ad break, I suppose. Bye. Bye. Oh, that's bye for me. I'll go. Don't kick me out yet. Yeah. So there's a technically this is not a charity stream, but I do have it, I think, pinned on both. Wait, is the pin gone? Is the link gone? Guys, can you see the pinned link? Is it gone? Someone let me know, please. And thank you. Because I thought I pinned it. Should I pin it again? Anyway, there's a charity stream for the LA wildfires. No, as in it's there or it's gone. Repinning it. Yeah. See, I told it to not unpin, but apparently it did. And thank you. I just did it. Yeah. And it's a charity stream that goes to direct relief. It has this one has the link. But if I go back, you will see the list of lovely people who are a part of this charity stream. It's organized by Z, and all of those people have their streams scheduled here, and then there will be a charity recap that we can try and join. I don't know if it's possible, actually. Maybe not in my time zone. But yeah, if you can, you do not have to, obviously, but if you can, I'd appreciate it if you also donated, even if it's $1. But again, if you can, that's okay, because you have to help the way that you can. And one way can be sharing the information on your social medias or Discords or wherever you can share them. So yeah, that is that. Yay! I think that was a successful stream, definitely, because the stream didn't cut off, so that's definitely successful. And would you guys be interested in raiding someone? Because I would like to raid someone, and so we can go there for like 5 minutes, if that's all right with you guys. I don't think I'll have to end the stream on YouTube, but I'll also obviously end the stream on Twitch as well. But if you guys are okay, let's streaming at workplace. Oh, I never stream at workplace. If I stream, I'm definitely always at home, and like maybe working from home, because that happened once. But no, I don't stream at workplace. I don't have a setup. It's not possible. Yeah. Okay, so thank you for today. Thank you for being here. We're going to rate someone that I chose, someone I follow. So let's see what they're doing. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Please do tune in, because it's a charity stream, okay? Thank you. And I should do the goodbye face. Where's my goodbye face? Yeah. Thank you so much for being here and for the lovely chats. And let's go raid someone. Yay! Internet was great. I was happy about that. Please join me in raiding this cool person. Ending the stream in 5. Wow, indeed. In 5, 4.